Imagine living every single day with that constant ringing in your ears, like a never-ending noise you just can't escape. You've probably tried different remedies, hoping for relief, but nothing seemed to work. What if I told you the real cause of that ringing has nothing to do with loud sounds or even genetics? According to a new discovery in September 2025, it's actually linked to a tiny wire inside your brain that carries electrical signals from your ears. When this wire is damaged, sounds get distorted and the ringing begins. But here's the good news. Scientists now understand how to rebuild and restore that connection naturally, so you can finally enjoy peace and silence again. This is where Quietum Plus comes in, a unique 100% natural solution designed to address ear health from the root cause. Unlike anything you've tried before, this supplement combines 18 carefully selected plant extracts and vitamins. Together, they work to protect neurons, regenerate damaged connections, and support crystal clear hearing. Ingredients like mucuna pruriens and maca root help calm the nervous system and repair neurons, while epimedium and tribulus terrestris fight free radicals and reduce neuroinflammation. With every capsule, you're feeding your brain and ears the nutrients they need to work in perfect harmony again. And it doesn't stop there. Dong Qi works as a superior ear tonic. Ginger and murapuama protect against free radical damage, and ashwagandha paired with piperine helps slow cell degeneration while boosting focus. Even essential vitamins like a B and zinc are included to enhance auditory clarity. Every single ingredient has been carefully tested and chosen for its proven benefits to hearing, brain health, and overall well-being. Quietum Plus is natural, non-GMO, stimulant-free, and safe for long-term use. All you need to do is take it daily and let the formula do the rest. But that's not all. When you order 6 bottles of Quietum Plus, our most recommended option, chosen by 97% of customers, you'll also receive 3 exclusive bonuses worth over $300 absolutely free. Bonus number 1, 1-minute natural tips to hear like a ninja, showing you quick tricks to naturally boost hearing. Bonus number 2, how to get the best sleep of your life in just 7 days. Because quality sleep is crucial for ear and brain recovery. Bonus number 3, perfect balance. Easy tips for fast vertigo relief, helping you regain stability and prevent dangerous falls. Plus, you'll get free shipping and even a surprise gift. Just listen to what real users are saying. Madison Allen from New York shared, "It feels like a great weight has been lifted off my shoulders." Joshua Lawson from Wyoming said, "For 5 years it felt like I had a tea kettle inside my brain. Now it's all silence." And Jake Austin from Chicago reported, "I had buzzing and pulsing in my ears. But not anymore. It feels so good to have my life back." These are real people experiencing life-changing results. And now it's your turn to join them. Right now, while supplies last, you can claim Quietum Plus at a massive discount. Instead of paying $537, you can get 3 bottles plus 3 free for just $294 with free shipping included. Or choose the 2-bottle starter pack for $158. And remember, your purchase is completely risk-free thanks to our 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't feel the results, you'll get every cent back, no questions asked, so don't wait. Click the link in bio and secure your discounted Quietum Plus bottles today before stock runs out. Your quiet, peaceful life starts now.